Happy morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about control structure in C++. The control structure consists of three types. They are sequence structure or straight line, selection structure or branching, loop structure or iteration or repetition structure. The selection structure consists of three types. They are simple if else, switch statement. The loop structure consists of three types. They are while statement, do while, for. Introduction on control structure. In C++ programming language, all the statements are executed sequentially from top to the bottom. So the control flow structure allow you to alter the flow of statement. In order to alter, we can able to follow two types of structures. They are loop structure and conditional structure. In loop structure, we can repeat a set of statements for a specified number of times. In conditional structure, we can check whether the given condition is true or false. So based on the result, we can execute a single statement or set of statements. This is the diagrammatical representation of control structure. Selection statement. The selection statement consists of three types. They are simple if else and switch case. Let's see one by one. The first is simple if statement. In if statement, we are going to check the condition which is available in the program. If the condition is true, a particular piece of code is executed. If the condition met false, the piece of the code in the loop body is skipped over there. So this is a syntax for if statement and this is an example for if statement. Flowchart of if loop. Yes, this flowchart clearly explains that is the if statement is going to check the condition. If the condition is true, it is going to execute the statement 1. If it is false, it is going to execute the statement 2. If else statement. It is an enhanced version of if statement. This if else structure tells the compiler what to do when a condition is true and when the condition is not met. So this is the syntax. If of condition open bracket statement 1 else statement 2. So for example, int main of open bracket int age equal to 70. If age is less than equal to 60, print correct age else incorrect age. So this is the flowchart of if else. Switch statement. The switch statement is called as a multiple branching statement. That is, based on the condition, the control is transferred to one of the many possible points. So it has been clearly given in the syntax. Switch of expression. The expression is the condition. So based upon the condition, the control is going to transfer to many points like case 1, case 2, case 3 or to the default value. So it has been given clearly in this example. Loop structure. The loop structure repeat a piece of code as many times you want. For example, if you want to print your names 5 times on the screen, you can either write 5 cout statement or you can use a simple loop structure. The C++ loop structure has 3 statements. They are while loop, do while and for loop. The first is while loop. The while loop is called as an entry control loop. In this loop, initially the test condition is evaluated. If the condition is true, then the body of the loop is executed. If the condition is false, the body of the loop does not execute at all. The syntax is while of condition is true, open bracket, statement 1, close the bracket and statement 2. Do while. The do while is called as an exit control loop. So based on the condition, the control is transferred back to the particular point in a program. The syntax is do open bracket action 1 close the bracket while the condition is true action 2. Yes, the difference between while and do while statement. The while statement is called as an entry control loop. So in while statement, initially we are going to test the condition, and test condition is evaluated. If it is true, the body of the loop is executed. If it is false, the body of the loop does not execute at all. And the do while statement is called as an exit control loop. Initially, the body of the loop is executed once, and then it is going to test the condition. So the body of the loop will execute at least once, even if the text condition is false. For loop. A for loop, like other loop structure, it executes a piece of code as many times we want. So for a for loop, when you know the number of times you want to execute the particular piece of code, the syntax was for open bracket initial value condition and increment. So for example, for open bracket int x equal to 0, x is less than 5, x plus plus. Coming to the end of the session, few questions can be expected in 2 marks. That is, define if loop with example, give the syntax of switch case, and give the difference between while loop and do while loop. And some of the questions can be expected in 5 marks. Give a detailed note on looping structure with example. Give a brief note on branching structure with neat diagram. And in 10 marks, we can expect explain in detail about control structure in C++. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching.